Hello and welcome to the first video in our new series where we are going to be showing you how to navigate and access the different things that are available on our website and to help you make the most of your time and experience with us. First thing we are going to do in this series is the first thing you need to do to start your journey with us, and that is create an account. So what you are going to want to do is when you're on the main page of our website, you're going to want to go to sign up in the top left-hand corner. Once you click on that, it'll bring up this box here. There's a few different ways you can set up an account with us. The first one is you can continue with Facebook. That will open up a window that asks you to enter your Facebook login information. The second one is Google. Same thing, but with your Google account. And then Amazon, same thing, but with Amazon. Each of those will look a little bit different. They all have their own design, but they all work relatively the same way as you would log into those accounts. Separately, what I am going to be doing is logging in just with an email address and password, just so you can have that basic sign-in information there. So I will go ahead and enter my email address and password, and then I will come right back. Okay, so what I didn't show when I was doing this is as you enter in your information here, boxes will show up for your first and last name. So I have entered that with a password and my email. I've selected that I would like to receive the newsletters. Our newsletters contain sales, any notifications for delivery changes, everything like that. It's a really good way to stay in touch with us. So once I've entered in all of this information, I'm going to hit sign up. All right, so now I have signed in and I can see my name up here, and now it will keep track of my purchases. I can access my points now. So that is it for the creating an account video, and I will see you in the next one where we will cover our next topic.